you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. What's your name?
My mom's Leticia and I'm Ariel.
Nice. How old are you? 4? Cute.
And how are you?
I'm 25. Say it.
Before we get started, click on notification, give a huge thumbs up. I'm gonna use this one.
First we're going to do my eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
So you have to brush them first with this. Brush my eyebrows.
Here, eyebrows.
Like this, mommy.
Oh.
See, brush them.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. Now you're going to go with either that brush or this one. And you just shade them in.
I want this one.
Okay. Which one are you going to use? This one or this one?
This one.
That one? Okay.
Because I like this one.
You like that one? Okay.
What is it for?
That's for my eyebrows. So you're going to color my eyebrows.
Color your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Last time I colored Dee Dee's eyebrows.
You colored Dee Dee's eyebrows? Oh my god. What makeup?
What her makeup?
Her makeup?
Her toys makeup.
So then after eyebrows, you're going to maybe not clean them up because you'll probably make a mess. So let's just do that. Now you're going to put primer on my face. This you're going to put a little bit on my face. Grab put your hand. You're going to go like that. You're going to go like this and you're going to spread it all over my face like if it was crema.
Like crema?
Not on my hair, just my face. Okay. You got my whole face?
Yeah.
My nose? My boca?
Yeah. Boop, 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 beep, bop, boop, beep, bop, boop.
Is that it? Or you want more?
That's it.
Okay. Now you're going to blend it in with this. I mean, not blend it in, but spread it out.
Spread it.
I like pink.
Where is it?
My eyeshadow. Right here, mommy.
Your eyeshadow?
Mm-hmm.
You look beautiful for the necklace.
Thanks, beautiful.
I'm look beautiful for dance. Dance class. I did it.
Mascara's for right here.
Uh,
You got it?
I don't know, like 2? The game's at 3:30. Yeah.
there.
Cute.
And look in the mirror.
Ooh, I look cute. I like the pink eyeshadow.
Me too. What about your lipstick?
And then lipstick.
Choose.
That's it for you. Now it's my turn.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared, child.
What's up, YouTube fans? I'm so excited.
You brush your eyebrows.
Dragon. I'm looking like a dragon, Ma.
You look like a dragon, baby.
roar.
Mhm.
Right? Ryan say roar.
Like this?
Mom, why your lips are like? Good job.
Alright,
That tickles.
be back.
And that tickles. That tickles. That tickles. That tickles.
Love you.
Me too.
There you go. Oh, look at you.
Here's the final look. I hope you guys liked
Like
it, and thank you for watching.
Team.
Bye.
Bye.